Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. I know y'all see this is Advanced Auto Parts. Okay, yes, my '09 minivan, guys. She have sprung a leak. The one I rent out, the red one, Radiator. I hope I'm spelling that right. Ader. Anyway, I have to go. It's leaking at the radiator, so I have to put another one on it. I typically go to the website. Oh no, this is $200. Oh, I didn't know they was that expensive. Okay, y'all know how my rules with her. Okay, she have to pay the parts. I will handle the labor. Okay, it's leaking in her possession, guys. She's renting the car. She basically doing the abuse to it. So it wasn't leaking when she got it. She's been had it for 3-4 years now. It's leaking now. So technically, she's responsible for the repairs. I think that's fair. I will, however, avoid her paying labor because I would do it myself. I did not know this radiator. I'll take this one. 2-year warranty. This one's lifetime. Only problem, store pickup unavailable. Y'all see that right there? So this one here, store pickup right down the street. I can actually go and get this one. So guys, I have no choice. She just got to pay $225. Yes, radiator's leaking. Add to cart. Okay. Where is that? PayPal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use PayPal. Whoa, 320. Okay, it's 2 items in here. Okay, proceed to checkout. Something is in my cart that shouldn't be, guys. This should not be $300. All right. Coupon found. 5 coupon codes. Apply codes. So it's gonna give me a code. Maybe that'll help. All right. Oh, good. It knocked out $50, guys. I think. But it's still trying to apply it. These codes are off the chain, guys. You're basically avoiding a person. So I guess they figure if y'all walked in a store, they got to pay an employee to look this stuff up. I basically did what an employee would do. So it's calculating my discount now. Oh, negative $82 promotional discount. Do y'all see that? Holy crap. Be Frugal saved you. Wow. Okay, continue to checkout, but there's an item in here I do not want. Whoa, Be Frugal. Okay, hold on. Let me get this out of here. Continue to checkout. No. Alright, let me get this out of here. Remove. That's that blower motor I was going to put on my friend's car. It's going to be even lower. Okay, I saved $56, so it went down to $169. Still good. Heck yeah. In-store pickup ready in 30 minutes. Let's do that. Alright guys, I found it at a nearby store. Okay, so it's at the one. That's not too far away. And the savings was $56, so it brought it down to $169. So she's going to be out of roughly $180. So I have no choice. I got to get this done today. I do not want her riding around. She says she keep adding water to it. That's fine and dandy to keep some liquid in it. You want to keep some form of liquid in it. It doesn't matter what liquid. It has to be some liquid. You do not want to. It could be a hot dog water. It doesn't matter. It have to be some type of liquid to keep this car from overheating. All right. I'm playing, guys, but yes. In other words, do not. You got a known leak, guys. You do not have to waste money on coolant. I know people that buy coolant out of the store knowing they can visually see the coolant dripping out of their car. At that point, you can just be water. PayPal credit. Yeah, this is what I want right here. Oh, they're gonna go through all of this. Okay, guys, I have to get off my phone because I have to. They're gonna text me a code, and we're gonna go from there. So let me go ahead out here and get this radiator. Yeah, see, let me go ahead out here and get this radiator, guys. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright guys, I'm here. Let me go ahead and see if they got my part. Oh wow, they ain't got nobody in here. I almost wonder why they open. I don't care as long as they got my part. Ordered it online. 30 minutes they said. It's now been about 40 minutes. So hopefully, it's been almost an hour actually. This should be quick, right? I should walk in, grab it. It's already paid for. PayPal. So I gotta get this job going and done. What's up? I ordered a radiator on the line. Johnny Thomas. It's lifetime warranty, right? What you mean, man? This said lifetime warranty on the paper, man. Okay, all right. It says limited lifetime warranty right here. What that mean?
I mean, they'll replace it one time. They don't mean the life of the car.
Oh,
replace
it one time one time in the life of the.
One time, period. They know in the lifetime, one time, period.
Hey man, your competitor sells lifetime brake shoes.
That's why the dumb.
Man, dude, I can't understand that for the life of me.
How you make money doing that?
That's what I said.
Yeah, come on, man.
And I done used it once. I was like, y'all know y'all gonna see me again when these brake pads wear out again. I don't know how you making money doing that.
Yeah, you sell up into your product and you just back on people's That's why the dumb.
All right, bro, I'm out. What's up, man? Oh shit! All right, I had a little fun with that cashier. He agreed with me. I can't grasp the understanding behind lifetime warranty brake pads. Oh my goodness, that was funny. He's like, that's the dumbest thing I ever heard. Oh, I take it Advanced Auto don't offer lifetime warranty. Zia 187, Ruli, you parts boys out there. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone, guys. But this is Advanced, so they don't play the lifetime warranty. No profit making brake pads. I don't understand it. I ain't gonna try to understand it. All I know is I got a lifetime warranty on my brake pads. All right, guys, I got work to do. Stay tuned, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, I am pulling up now. Yes, there's my baby right there. Okay, they got 2 basketball goals. Let me see something. I need to put my car right there and get that out. So first, let me go see what in the world this girl done to my baby. All right, that used to be one of my Uber mobiles. Uber and Lyft, guys. I used to Uber and Lyft. I still would if I had a vehicle, but I got YouTube now. I don't really. Ubering is no big deal, and plus, it's kind of dangerous now. Hey, they got these high enough for me to dunk on. Imagine that. Now, let me see what is going on. Oh, she got a flat tire. The hell? All right. Let's see. Okay, it is a lot going on, guys. I have to be. I tell this girl to bring this. Look at all of this. Yeah. See, it's getting worse. I got one now. Oh my goodness. All right. Yes. It's time. I'm gonna have to put this water pump on. Is that coolant? Coolant coming from the radiator. So this radiator leaking that bad. Look, it's nothing in the jug, guys. What are the chances this girl been riding around with no freaking? Oh my goodness. Okay, I ain't gonna even chance that drive to the shop without putting some in it. Hope I got a jug of liquid of some sort in the trunk. Oh my goodness. It's the upper radiator hose. All right, I will give her an earful, guys. This radiator is super bad. Look at all that. Might not be nothing wrong with the hose. I'm gonna pressurize it. But anyway, I gotta get to the shop, guys. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, y'all hold tight. Next time y'all see me, I'll be at the shop in the air taking care of this matter. All right, stay tuned.